Greetings, Sakata and Nelsie. This is Carolyn from Vista Higher Learning, and I wanted to quickly show you how to access the virtual textbook, the online version of the Senderos textbook. I did send those samples out on Tuesday of this week. They should definitely arrive by the end of next week. I will get tracking information as soon as I can tomorrow morning and send that your way. So if you click on Content in the super site, you can click on vText, and this will open up the entire Senderos textbook. And you can navigate pretty easily by clicking on a lesson, clicking on a strand or a section, and then you can essentially look at the entire book. You can minimize, you can maximize, you can flip the pages. It's pretty easy to navigate, and it obviously gives you a very clear idea of what of the contents of the textbook. You'll also see in the super site something called the ebook. This is another option. This is downloadable and it's accessible offline. So if you wanted your students to have the ebook, if they don't have consistent internet access, that's an option. But otherwise, if they're using a print book, the vText is sufficient. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you soon and potentially working with you next year. Thanks so much.